Welcome to Quick Learning. In the part 2 of this video, we will have a practical demo on SAP software. You can see I have entered ME2M and this particular window has appeared in front of us. Here in Material tab, I will enter this material code. For plant, I will enter this particular plant. I don't have any other information or I don't have any other criteria for applying some filter on the required search data. I will just write ALV and will press F8 or execute button. So this list has appeared in front of me. It is in a certain format. This is showing the document date, the vendor or the supplier for which the purchase order was created, the name of that material code, that is cleaning hyperform, the material code number, the material group number for this particular item, the quantity in the purchase order, the quantity that is yet to be delivered, and the purchase document or purchase order number. So we have this type of details in this window. We can open any purchase order by double clicking it, and we can see the required details of that purchase order. To add some more information in this window, we can press this change layout option here on this square box. We will press Ctrl plus F8 and this option has appeared. Right now we are looking at this information in this window, but SAP can provide us this information as well, like created by, issue and storage location, tracking number, old purchase order, price unit, net price, order quantity, PO history, etc. We can select any one of these and we can move it to the left column to get that data in our selection criteria. So we entered one of these and it has appeared here, but unfortunately there was no data in purchase order for this category, that is quotation deadline. So it is being shown as blank. So this command ME2M is very much useful in getting a complete detail of purchase orders for a specific or a list of material codes. Thank you.